Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the device uses your Google TV profile and has a stable network connection. This ensures changes stick. Now, press Home to display the launcher and move to the profile avatar in the upper right. Select your profile, then go directly into Settings and choose Accounts and Sign In. Once done, make sure you're signed into the account that shows the top picks row, because only that profile's recommendations can be edited. Next, navigate to Home Customization or Recommendations within Settings. You're targeting the top picks row itself. Choose to edit or hide that row. Turn off top picks visibility to remove it immediately. If you prefer personalization, select Manage Interests or Clear Viewing Activity to reshape suggestions rather than hide them. Once adjusted, back out and let the launcher refresh. This updates what appears in the home feed. Finally, restart the TV to apply your changes and verify the top picks row is gone. A reboot forces the launcher to refresh settings. If the row returns, sign out of your profile and sign back in, then reapply the hide or personalization settings. Sometimes sync issues cause reappearance. If problems persist, clear the Google App Cache or, only as a last resort, perform a factory reset. If that fails, check Google support for account-specific recommendation policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.